Welcome to everybody. Today we will discuss on yarn count. Yarn count is a numerical expression that determines the fineness or coarseness of yarn. Figure 1 shows yarns of different count. Among the 5 figures, figure A is coarser, where diameter of yarn is the highest, and the coarseness is decreasing while going towards figure E. Figure E shows the most finer yarn, where diameter of yarn is the lowest. There are two systems of yarn count. They are direct system and indirect system. What is direct system of yarn count? The direct system is the yarn count system where the count of a yarn is calculated by measuring the mass of a fixed length. That means it expresses mass per unit length of a yarn. Here length is fixed and weight is variable. The following formula is used to calculate direct system of yarn count. Capital N equals capital W into small l divided by capital L, where capital N is yarn count or number. Capital W is weight of the sample at official regain in units of the system. Capital L is length of the sample and small l is unit of length of the system. In this slide we will know different systems of direct count, which are tex, decitex, millitex, kilotex, denier and pound per spindle. All the unit of length and unit of weight has been given in this table. Now what is tex? The answer will be the weight of 1000 meter yarn in gram, where 1000 meter is the unit of length and unit of weight is gram, which are given in the table. So, if we say what is x tex, the answer will be the weight of 1000 meter yarn is x gram. If the value of x is 100, that is 100 x means weight of 1000 meter yarn is 100 grams. Decitex is the weight of 10,000 meter yarn in gram. Now if we say what is 100 decitex, the answer is weight of 10,000 meter yarn is 100 gram. Millitex is the weight of 1000 meter yarn in milligram. So, by 50 millitex we mean that weight of 1000 meter yarn is 50 milligram. Similarly, we can define rest of the terms. By kilotex we mean weight of 1000 meter yarn in kilogram. So, by 50 kilotex we mean that weight of 1000 meter yarn is 50 kilogram. Denier is the weight of 9000 meter of yarn in gram. So, by 50 denier we mean that weight of 9000 meter yarn is 50 gram. By pound per spindle we mean the weight of 14,400 yards yarn in pound. So, 100 pound per spindle we mean that the weight of 14,400 yards yarn is 100 pound. Now, I will discuss about indirect system of yarn count. In this system yarn count is expressed as the length per unit weight of the yarn. Here weight is fixed and length is variable. The formula to calculate yarn count in this system is capital N equals to capital L into small w divided by capital W and small l, where capital N is yarn number or count. Capital W is weight of the sample at official regain in the units of the system. Small w is unit of weight of the system. Capital L is length of the sample and small l is unit of length of the system. Let us know different systems of indirect count, which are English count denoted by NE, metric count denoted by NM, and worsted count denoted by NW. All the unit of length and unit of weight have been given in this table. Now what is English count? The answer will be the number of hanks of 840 yards yarn which have total weight of 1 pound. So, if the value of English count is 100, it means 100 hanks each contains 840 yards yarn and total weight of all hanks is 1 pound. That means total length of yarn will be 840 into 100 yards and total weight will be 1 pound. Now, by metric count we mean that the number of hanks of 1000 meter yarn which have total weight of 1 kilogram. So, if the value of metric count is 100, it means 100 hanks each contains 1000 meter yarn and total weight of all hanks is 1 kilogram. Now, by worsted count we mean that the number of hanks of 560 yards yarn which have total weight of 1 pound. So, if the value of worsted count is 100, it means 100 hanks each contains 560 yards yarn and total weight of all hanks is 1 pound. Indirect system costness increases with increasing the diameter of yarn. How? We know that indirect system length of yarn is fixed and weight is variable. In this figure 3, let A represents 100 tacks, B represents 90 tacks, C represents 80 tacks, D represents 70 tacks and E represents 60 tacks of yarn. Here, 100 tacks means weight of 1000 meters yarn is 100 grams, 90 tacks means weight of 1000 meters yarn is 90 grams, 80 tacks means weight of 1000 meters yarn is 80 grams, 70 tacks means weight of 1000 meters yarn is 70 grams, 60 tacks means weight of 1000 meters yarn is 60 grams. As length is fixed, weight is changed with changing the diameter, which means weight is increased with increasing diameter. It is seen that with increasing the weight from E to A, that means from 60 to 100 tacks, costness is increasing with increasing the diameter of yarn. In indirect system, fineness increases with increasing the length of yarn. How? We know that in indirect system weight of yarn is fixed and length is variable. Let there are 3 types of yarn count, which are A. 100 English count, B. 80 English count and C. 60 English count. Here 100 English count means there are 100 hanks of yarn each carrying 840 yards of yarn. And total weight is 1 pound. So, total length equals 100 into 840 yards and weight equals 1 pound. 80 English count means there are 80 hanks of yarn each carrying 840 yards of yarn. And total weight is 1 pound. So, total length equals 80 into 840 yards and weight equals 1 pound. 60 English count means there are 60 hanks of yarn each carrying 840 yards of yarn. And total weight is 1 pound. So, total length equals 60 into 840 yards and weight equals 1 pound. As weight is fixed, length is changed with changing diameter, which means length is increased with decreasing the diameter. If we go from C to A, that means from 60 English count to 100 English count, It is seen that fineness is increasing with increasing the length of yarn. Thank you for watching the video. To solve mathematical problems of direct count system, please see our next video.